Hello fellow unicorns, welcome to another video, and today we're having another Kawaii Box review and giveaway. I'm so sorry because I lately didn't do any of the tutorial videos or something like that because adulting has really kidnapped me, and I'm working simultaneously on several big projects which I'm not allowed to talk about, so I'm literally drowning in work currently. But as soon as I have some more details, I will gladly discuss. And of course, if you guys have something that you would like to see on my channel more, please leave a comment down below. So let's start with today's Kawaii box. Every time I get like a panic attack from all of these cuteness. Oh my god, this is so cute! Valentine's Day. So yeah, this is the Valentine's Day box, and it has a little unicorn. Oh my god! Little twin stars Konpeto candy. So yeah, this is basically sugar candy from Japan. It's really simple. Some of them have ramune flavor or different kinds of flavors like fruit flavors, so I usually skip on these because my teeth are not that good for hard sugar candies like these. But definitely Twin Star is one of my favorite. Next up we have Sweetheart Lollipop Eraser. So yep, it's squishy. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. How? Like, I always tell you guys not to use these because they're crappy as eraser type of a thing, but look at this. It's just too adorable not to like have something like somewhere as a decoration or something. This is Kawaii Daily Pill Organizer, and I actually really needed this because I usually take my vitamins daily and supplements, and this is something just perfect. So what you do here, you have like 2 weeks worth of slots, and then you just go Monday to Sunday and have your daily dose of like vitamin C, multivitamins, fish oil, whatever you guys need. Magnesium is also a great supplement to take daily for concentration and motivation, so it saved my life multiple times, I have to be honest. So these are Jinbei-san plushies, whale characters, Jinbei-san. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. Look at them. I don't know what they're supposed to be though. They're connected, so I think, oh, they're magnetic. Cool. I'm not sure if they're supposed to be like a couple or, well, yeah, they probably are because this is a Valentine's box. So like, look at them. Oh my god, they're supposed to have them, like share them with somebody you really care about, and then you have these magnetic, just put them together, and my brain just fizzled out from all of the cuteness, and they're so soft. Next up we have Sweet Drinks Pencil Cap Set. Oh, these are supposed to go on top of your pens. Just using this for general demonstration, I guess. This is Shimmery Heart Charm Pen. Use this pen for writing love notes to your special someone and let them know how you truly feel. Oh, this is cute. I would expect from it to glow or something, but I guess it's just glittery thing, and this is probably one of those amazing Japanese gel pens. These are Majestic Jewelry Crown stickers. Yeah, they totally don't scream Sailor Moon or Cardcaptor Sakura to me, hahaha. Last but certainly not least, these are metallic pink and purple pencils. Do they really draw in metallic color? So apparently I do not own a pencil sharpener, but by the look of this, it's just a regular set of just metallic looking HB pencils. So if you guys want to win a free Kawaii box, check out the link in the description, and good luck! Bye! I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you would like to learn how to draw manga, please check out my book Manga Crash Course, available in 4 different languages, as well as my latest book Manga Crash Course Fantasy.